Hi, I'm Rhythm of the Rainforest. Today's rhythm is cuckoo. Cuckoo is generally played when all the fishing nets are brought in at the end of the day, but more recently it's just used in loads of celebrations across Africa. Okay, the bass note is played with the centre of the hand in the middle of the drum. Okay, the tone stroke is played from the base of the knuckles with the fingers relaxed but in a straight line like that. Okay. The slap is very similar, except it's right on the edge of the drum and the base of the fingers. And it's like that. Very, very similar to the tone. Slap stroke is like that. Now, one important point, always keep your thumbs at a right angle over the edge of the drum so you don't catch them. So the bass note in the middle of the drum. Okay. The tone on the edge of the drum. The slap